In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase open rate in Activecampaign. One of the simplest ways to raise your open rate is to send campaigns only to the contacts who are most likely to engage, and to avoid sending promotional emails to people who have already purchased. When you exclude customers from a general campaign, your list stays cleaner, your engagement metrics improve, and inbox providers see better signals from your sends. To begin, go to your Activecampaign dashboard and open the Campaigns section. From here, click Create a Campaign. Choose the campaign type you normally use, then continue until you reach the List Selection screen. This is the step where targeting makes the biggest difference. On the List Selection screen, click Create a Segment. A segment lets you filter who receives the email based on rules, like tags and list membership. For increasing open rates, you will set it up so that customers are excluded. First, set your condition to tag, then choose Does Not Exist, and select your customer tag. This is usually a tag that indicates someone has purchased, such as a buyer or customer label. The goal is to make sure anyone marked as a customer does not receive this campaign. Using tags is helpful because it reflects real behavior and it updates as your contacts move through your funnel. Next, click Add Another Condition. This time, select Lists, then choose Is Not On, and select your customer list. This adds an extra layer of protection because some accounts use lists instead of tags, or they may have customers saved on a dedicated list. With both conditions in place, you reduce the chance of sending the email to someone who should be excluded. When your conditions are set, click Done. Then make sure your new segment is selected for the campaign audience. Take a moment to review the segment name and double-check that it is excluding customers as intended. Clean targeting like this helps you focus your email on prospects, which typically leads to higher opens and stronger engagement. Now continue into the Email Designer. Build your campaign as usual, and send it when ready. That covers everything you need to know.